with fever. I'm such a lucky girl. This is a 6 kg washing machine from Scamfrost, and that's on period. Are you ready for the big review? Fine as hell. How many clothes can a 6 kg Scamfrost washing machine carry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, and there's still space.
This has to be the latest Scamfrost design. As washing machine sleek. And the fact that even if I recharge 2,000 naira for light, I go still feel wash my clothes, bust my brain.
You see this baby right here is the best decision I will ever make. I love it so much.